Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset the home screen layout back to the default on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the iPhone 13 series. First, let's swipe up to go back to your home screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on general. Next, go all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset, and on the pop-up tap on reset home screen layout, and then tap on reset home screen. It says that this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults, so we tap on the reset home screen layout, and finally you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.